Welcome to this comprehensive roadmap for mastering artificial intelligence, or AI. If you're ready to dive into one of the most exciting fields of our time, this guide is for you. Stick around as we cover everything from beginner concepts to advanced applications, along with career opportunities, certifications, and practical tips to succeed. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing industries worldwide, from healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment. It's a game changer, and mastering AI opens the door to incredible opportunities. Did you know that AI professionals, like AI engineers, earn an average salary of $127,986 annually? That's just the start of what this field offers. In this video, we'll break the learning process into 4 clear phases: beginner, intermediate, advanced, and continuous learning. Each phase comes with curated resources, specific practice exercises, and realistic timelines to guide you every step of the way. First, let's talk tools. To succeed in AI, you'll need a solid foundation in mathematics, proficiency in programming languages like Python, and familiarity with AI frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch. Don't worry, we'll cover these step by step. Now, let's dive into the roadmap. Step 1. Understanding AI fundamentals. Estimated time, 4 weeks. Start by learning the basics of AI, its history, core concepts, and applications. A great place to begin is the book Artificial Intelligence, A Guide for Thinking Humans, by Melanie Mitchell. Focus on chapters 1 through 3. These sections explain what AI is, how it has evolved, and introduce neural networks. Pair this with the online course AI for Everyone by Andrew Ng on Coursera. In weeks 1 and 2 of the course, you'll learn what AI can do and how to approach AI projects. For a broader perspective, listen to the AI Alignment podcast, particularly the episode titled Introduction to AI Alignment. It offers insights into the ethical and societal implications of AI. Practice activity: write a short essay on how AI is transforming an industry of your choice. This will help solidify your understanding. Step 2. Learning programming for AI. Estimated time, 6 weeks. Next, build your programming skills. Python is the language of choice for AI. Start with the book Python Crash Course by Eric Mathes. Focus on chapters 1 through 5, where you'll learn the basics, from variables and lists to if statements. Complement this with a Coursera course, Programming for Everybody by Charles Severance. Begin with weeks 1 and 2 to get a solid introduction. Prefer videos? Check out Python Tutorial for Beginners by Programming with Mosh on YouTube. Practice activity: create simple Python projects, such as a calculator or a to-do list app. Practice is key to mastering programming. Step 3. Mastering mathematics for AI. Estimated time, 8 weeks. Mathematics is the backbone of AI. Focus on linear algebra, calculus, and probability. The book Mathematics for Machine Learning by Dysenroth, Faisal, and Ong is an excellent resource. Read chapters 1 through 4 to understand concepts like matrix decompositions and analytic geometry. On Coursera, take the Mathematics for Machine Learning specialization by Imperial College London. Start with the linear algebra and multivariate calculus courses. Siraj Rawarajaval's YouTube video, The Math of Intelligence, is another great resource for understanding AI-related math concepts. Practice activity: work through mathematical problems using Python libraries like NumPy to apply what you learn. Step 4. Exploring machine learning. Estimated time, 10 weeks. Now, step into the world of machine learning. Read chapters 1 through 5 of Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Giron. These chapters cover everything from an overview of ML to training models. Enroll in the Coursera course Machine Learning by Andrew Ng. In the first 3 weeks, you'll learn linear regression and revisit important math concepts. For an engaging audio experience, listen to the Machine Learning Guide podcast, specifically the episode on supervised learning. Practice activity: implement a linear regression model using a real-world dataset. This will help you apply your theoretical knowledge. At this point, you'll have a strong foundation in AI. From here, you can explore specialized topics like natural language processing, computer vision, or reinforcement learning. Don't forget to build a portfolio showcasing your projects. It's your ticket to landing a job in AI. Remember, the journey to mastering AI is a marathon, not a sprint. Dedicate consistent time to learning, practice regularly, and stay updated with industry trends. If you found this roadmap helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more detailed guides on mastering future-proof skills. Let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to see next.